Here's a guide on how to use WhatsApp Wave on your Android device. So to begin, you need to open your web browser on your Android. Then after, click on the search bar in the top and go to web.whatsapp.com. Once you're in its official page, click on the three-dot menu in the top right, then scroll down and select the desktop site option. Your page will refresh and you'll see a QR code in the screen. Now grab the device that has the WhatsApp account you want to link. On the Android, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and select Link Devices option. Then select Link a device and then scan the QR code displayed on your Android device's browser. You may need to zoom in on the QR code. Drag across the screen to navigate, tap on a conversation, then scroll to the next input field, type in your message, press enter to send. You might find it easier to rotate your device for a better viewing experience. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.